Hi everyone, Richard Dore here, CEO at Proteus Leadership. Quite excited to talk to you about a half-day workshop, a very powerful one, called Leading and Managing Yourself. We all know as leaders, our number one job is to look after our people, to make sure we create the space so they can grow, flourish, and be the best version of themselves. But a deeper question is, are you doing that with yourself and looking after yourself as a manager and a leader? It's like the analogy on the plane. When they do the safety drill, when the oxygen mask drop, place it on yourself first, and only then you can really look after your people. Actually, in this course, we also ask people a very profound question. Would you employ yourself right now? And when people reflect on that, they go, well, do I have the right attitude, gratitude, the competence, the skills to be a really effective leader? From there, we then look at, are you focusing on role clarity? Do you have really clear goals? And are you working on the right stuff? From there, we then look at some fundamental components of leadership communication to bring your people with you. And then we leave you with this notion around the servant leader. So you're really making sure you're looking after yourself, getting that right, then you can indeed serve your people so they can serve your customers. So if this is of interest for you, please jump on our website at proteusleadership.com.